On Friday, a series of missile strikes hit various Ukrainian cities, including the capital, prompting authorities to issue a nationwide air alert. The attacks occurred overnight following Ukraine's recent strike on a Russian warship in the occupied Crimean port of Feodosia. Kyiv, as reported by City Mayor Vitaly Klitschko on Telegram, experienced explosions. Additionally, missiles targeted at least 5 other Ukrainian cities, including Kharkiv in the northeast, Lviv in the west, and Odessa in the south, according to statements from the respective mayors and police. Today at 5 o'clock in the morning, the fascists' followers hit the peaceful city with S-300 missiles. 10 explosions rang out in Kharkiv. Specialized services quickly arrived at strike spots, Kharkiv Region Police said. Reports of overnight attacks have emerged in Sumy and Konotop, adding to the escalating conflict. In southern Odessa, a high-rise building caught fire after being hit by debris from a downed drone, as confirmed by the city's mayor, Gennady Trukhanov. He stated on social media, as a result of another enemy attack, one of the high-rise buildings was damaged. The fire was promptly extinguished. These incidents follow the Kremlin's acknowledgement on Tuesday of a Ukrainian attack that damaged a warship in the occupied Crimean port of Feodosia. Ukraine and its Western allies considered this a significant setback for the Russian Navy. Ukraine claimed responsibility for destroying the Novocherkassk landing ship, with President Volodymyr Zelensky humorously suggesting on social media that the vessel had now joined the Russian underwater Black Sea fleet. Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu provided President Vladimir Putin with a detailed report on the damage to the large landing ship. According to Russia's defense ministry, the ship was damaged by guided aerial missiles, while Ukraine's military asserted that its air force successfully destroyed the Russian naval ship in a missile attack on the eastern Crimean port. The situation remains tense as both the sides exchange attacks and rhetoric in this intensifying conflict. On Thursday, Zelensky thanked the US for releasing the last remaining package of weapons available for Ukraine under existing authorization, as uncertainty surrounds further aid to his war-torn country. Zelensky had warned that any change in policy from the US, Kyiv's main banker, could have a strong impact on the course of the war. I thank President Joe Biden, Congress, and the American people for the $250 million worth military aid package announced yesterday, Zelensky said on social media. To defend freedom and security not only in Ukraine and Europe, but also in the US, we must continue to respond to the ongoing Russian aggression, he said.